So guys, thanks once again. My name is Samukran. So you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's lesson, you will learn how to create a beautiful Happy New Month graphic design from the start to finish. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into Photoshop and we do some work together. So you press click file and create a new, and the width is 5, height is 5 inches, resolution 0 so you just press create. So press D in the search word. I will use the urgency fonts. I will use July. I will write it in a capital way all. To balance your work. So I want some new, because for up a new month you press Ctrl R and you add another layer. So the first letter I will use capital, then the second column I will use small letters, because up a new month. So guys, always be patient, balance your work, and everything will come the way you want it. Design is all about taking time, being patient, because some computers are not the same with the computers you used to work with it. So these fonts, I don't want to use it. I will come here, I will click it one time, then I will use Arial. I want to use Arial because it's very nice font. You balance your work always. Check where there is a wrong spelling back in always when you are designing. So take your time, watch it carefully and use it. So now I hope you are seeing that color is not the right color you want to use it. So the next thing I want to do, and I will bring my photo, and the photo I want to use it is this photo. To zoom it, you balancing is number 1 in photo. Number 2 is using your color and balance your fonts. So the next thing I'm going to do, and I will come here, the rectangular tool. So I want to change my new background on the new background. So I'm seeing this background is upper than all those, and I have one remaining up in new month is the one. So I'll bring it through, I put it here. So I will use this color. So I will change these fonts of my July. You double click it 2 times, So I've used some like gradients. You click here, come here, something like this. Yeah, you play with it. Yeah, I hope you're watching at it and you picking something new. Even this one up here, the same thing, because you have already set it. You just click here like this and will come the way it is. And this background is not the same. We use it like this. Be careful, take your time. So guys, I hope you are getting everything how it's moving, and good. So the next thing I'm going to do, and we come to the rectangular tool again, so you just press it like this and we change the color to white. We bring it down to the photo. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we are getting something new. So we come something like here, we take some colors. We put here. So now I'll use something like circle. Press it. So guys, this is about the Apple Newman fly design. So take your time, watch it, like and subscribe for more creativities. If you want to level out your rap design, so subscribing my YouTube and writing Kisemo Crayon at your search. So guys, I hope you are getting everything we are doing. It's the Apniman flies and catch one. So the next thing I'm going to do is to write my message. We use black. So this thing here, I hope you have someone who doesn't know. So you scroll it up or down. So we take where your phone what to balance. Sometimes your phone will go up, go down, everywhere. This control automatic. You can press it also. We take you where you want. So guys, I hope you always remember something like in up or sitting, anything like flying or no something like the shadow have to be there. So I'm going to show you how to put the shadow. So you press Ctrl J to copy some lines, a new layer. So this tool, you come to brush tool, then you click up where the brush tool is. So now you start at 123, 10. So that's how it is sharp here. So this circle, I'm going to use it and you drag it down like this. You take it where you copy your layer. So you add your choice by clicking the curve line and add your choice. And always remember the capacity. I will put it like around 12. So everything you do, you just play with it. Like graphic design is something like very easy and not easy, not easy. So how the way you practice it, and the way you become a professional graphic designer by following some crown for in. So guys, my name is Sam Crown. I hope you are seeing how design is now. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube. So the next thing I'm going to use, are you seeing this how design is looking? We are remaining with something new and we are almost getting our lesson be done in some minutes. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring some light here, and the light is here. You drag it down, so you put it where the photo is. So guys, I should remember you take your time So some computer they are not the same. Yeah, I always sing, and it's the upper all those those words. So you bring it here the normal. So I always sing the thing how the thing is shining. Yeah, it's the way I want this to use it also. And we use the brush tool to brush it small. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring my medium location. So, and we are getting all those done. I always saying, take your time when you are working on your design. So call me to some crown. So guys, hope you are watching it, and I'm looking at how the creativity we have brings. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more activities and for more lessons by searching your name Samucoin and clicking subscribe and like and share. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we are almost getting our lesson down. So I hope you are watching it, and everything that you can do now have to be patient and take your time when you are designing. Design is not easy. It's not design thing like for 2 minutes. So always be check where there is a necessary thing, check spelling, check colors, be let your work be balanced. I hope you seeing how this is look at. So we are done almost. So guys, my name is Samu Crowns once again, and this is the end of our design. Thanks.